Hey, welcome back. We're here with another update on the dividend investing account. So far I've invested $3,800. The total is sitting around $4,150. It's making for a nice gain of 9.3%, or total of $355 up right now. That's really nice to see. So far the month isn't over yet for November, but I'll be expecting probably a few more of the monthly dividends to come in. And get closer to that $14.50 per month. But again, this isn't happening every month because not every company pays monthly dividends. Some are paying quarterly and other random schedules as well. But yeah, everything's looking great. Let's go into the portfolio. In the portfolio here, we can still see that there's a lot of companies that are up quite far. H&R Real Estate is up 44%. It's insane. What is this? RioCan is 31%. Exchange Income 27%, almost 28, 19%. This is great to see. So I'm actually struggling a little bit to buy companies while they're down because they're all up quite high right now. But that's fine. I think what I want to do today is I'll be picking up a little bit more of Granite Real Estate, and I think probably also Algonquin Power, and then I'm going to open up new positions in BMO and Bell. I don't hold those yet, and that's something that I'd like to add to the portfolio. So let's switch over to Wealthsimple Trade desktop app. So here we are. I think what we should do first is search for BMO, Bank of Montreal on the TSX. That's good. I just want to pick up one of these for now to start the position of this company. We can see how they've been doing lately. The last 5 years, the last 1 year, they're climbing back up again, recovering pretty well in the last while. It's unfortunate that I waited this long to buy them, but it's still a company that I'd like to have in the portfolio. So I'm going to go ahead with that. They have a pretty nice dividend. It's just over 5%, I believe. And yeah, you can read some information about them here, but I'm sure a lot of people know what BMO is already. So let's go and add the one share and place the order. Sweet. I also wanted to start a position in Bell, so it's BCE. And we can take a look at their performance here. In the last 5 years, the last 1 year, etc. They're very stable. If you look at the graph, like the very long-term graph for the last few decades, it's like really flat, just slowly climbing up. They also pay a solid dividend. But we can come down here and just see, yeah, this is like they own Bell Wireless, Bell Media, all of the different Bell company is involved with this one ticker. Now these are just $57. Let's look at the 1-day price. Yeah, so what I wanted to do is just pick up two while I'm here. I often just buy one or two to get started. I think with these ones, because they're half of basically what BMO was, I think two will be fine. So we're gonna ease into that with two. Okay, cool. Now let's go back to the portfolio and see how much we have left. I think we have to click in here. Yeah, so still have $140 left. So I wanted to pick up one more of Granite. Let's see if we can find them in here. They're down 3.66% today, so, or not today, but overall. So that's fine. I would just want to add one more of these guys. Overall, it's a solid stock to hold. So we're going to add one more of Granite. Cool. And then the last thing that I wanted to do today, while I have you, is add some more of AQN. Algonquin Power. I already hold these guys. Maybe we can actually, yeah, you can see here, I have 3 shares right now. My average price was $20.20, and it's pretty much right on point. So yeah, anyways, these are a great one as well, and I would just like to add 2 more while we're here today. So we're going to drop in with 2 for around $40 and place the order. Okay, cool. So looking at the activity or the account, let's just switch back here. Got $25 left to trade today, but I think what I'm going to do is just wait. I'll be adding some more funds to the account. And yeah, maybe before I go, let's jump back into the portfolio and take a look at the annual dividend income. So before I made the trades, it was $174.28. So if we go in and update basically the stock buy that I just made, like that, and then I've also just updated the portfolio here to include Bank of Montreal and Bell as well. Bank of Montreal has a 4.39% dividend yield right now. This is a forward dividend. And Bell is 5.88%. So when we come back to the summary page, then we can see that my annual dividend income has jumped from $174 to $189. So it's just jumped up by $15 per year. And yeah, that's great. It's awesome to, every time I come in and buy new stocks, it's nice to see this value climbing every single time. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Like I said, I'll probably just add in some more funds and then be back next week with another update.